Join me as I put my electrical safety knowledge to the test by tackling some common household hazards and sharing the tips that could save your life. Electrical safety is one of those things that we often take for granted until it's too late. I mean, think about it. We use electricity every day, whether it's to power our homes, our workplaces, or just our daily gadgets. But how often do we really stop to think about the potential dangers that come with it? One of the biggest misconceptions about electrical safety is that it's only a concern for professionals or people who work with electricity on a daily basis. But the truth is, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. Whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or just someone who likes to DIY, it's crucial that you understand the basics of electrical safety. Another misconception is that electrical accidents only happen to careless or reckless people. But the reality is that electrical accidents can happen to anyone, regardless of how careful they are. A faulty wire, a misplaced appliance, or even just a simple oversight can lead to devastating consequences. We've all heard the horror stories of electrical fires, electrocution, and other accidents that could have been prevented with a little bit of knowledge and caution. So, what can we do to stay safe around electricity? When it comes to electrical safety, there are a few key tips that can make all the difference. For starters, let's talk about extension cords. We all use them from time to time, but did you know that they're only meant to be used temporarily? Leaving an extension cord plugged in for an extended period of time can lead to overheating, which can cause a fire. Another important one is to avoid water near electrical outlets. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how often people get this wrong. Make sure to keep electrical outlets away from sinks, bathtubs, and other areas where water might be present. And if you're using electrical appliances near water, make sure they're specifically designed for that purpose. It's also crucial to recognize the signs of electrical hazards. If you notice flickering lights, buzzing sounds, or burning smells coming from your electrical outlets or appliances, don't ignore them. These can be warning signs of a serious electrical issue that needs to be addressed ASAP. Finally, let's talk about the importance of getting regular electrical checks. If you haven't had your electrical system checked in a while, it's a good idea to get it inspected by a licensed electrician. They can identify potential hazards and help you fix them before they become major problems. I recall a story about a friend who had a fire in their home due to a faulty electrical wire. Luckily, no one was hurt, but it was a real wake-up call for them. They realized that they had been ignoring some warning signs and not taking electrical safety seriously enough.
Be sure to check out my other video on home safety tips. I'll leave a link in the description below.
The fire was a real eye-opener for my friend, and it led them to take electrical safety much more seriously. They started being more mindful of their electrical usage and made sure to get regular checks to ensure their home was safe. It's a sobering reminder that electrical safety is not just about following rules or guidelines, it's about protecting ourselves and our loved ones from harm. By taking a few simple precautions and being more aware of the potential hazards, we can all stay safe around electricity. So, what are the key takeaways here? Make sure to use extension cords responsibly, keep water away from electrical outlets, recognize the signs of electrical hazards, and get regular electrical checks. Standing near home electrical panel or with basic appliances, Electricity powers our lives, but when mishandled, it can also pose serious dangers. Today, we're diving into must-know electrical safety tips that every homeowner, tenant, student, or dyer should master. These tips could literally save your life, your home, and your family. Understand your home's electrical system. Know where your main circuit breaker is located. Label each circuit clearly. Learn how to turn off main power in emergencies. If you're ever unsure about something electrical, always call a licensed electrician. Don't overload outlets, a power strip with too many devices. Plugging into many high-power devices can cause overheating and fire. Use power strips with built-in circuit breakers. Spread out appliances across different outlets. Use the right cords and plugs. Avoid using damaged or frayed cords. Never force a plug into an outlet. Use prong plugs where possible. Grounding adds safety. Replace extension cords with proper wiring if used frequently. Keep water away from electricity, kitchen or bathroom. Never touch appliances with wet hands. Keep cords and devices away from sinks or bathtubs. Install GFC is ground fault circuit interrupters in wet areas. Install proper protection devices. MCBS protect against overloads. RCCBS prevent shock from earth leakage. Surge protectors guard against voltage spikes. Test your RC monthly using the test button. Maintain appliances, clean vents and fans regularly. Don't ignore strange smells or buzzing sounds. Switch off and unplug appliances when not in use. DIY. Stay smart. Simple home electrical repair setup. Always switch off power before working. Use insulated tools. Avoid working alone. Someone should be nearby in case of shock. Never attempt complex electrical work without training. Child-proof your outlets. Use socket covers. Keep cords out of reach. Educate children about dangers of plugs and wires. If you've got any thoughts or experiences with electrical safety, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Your support means a lot to me.
Use the right bulb wattage. Always check the maximum wattage rating of your light fixtures. Using higher watt bulbs can overheat fixtures and cause fire. LED bulbs are safer, use less power, and produce less heat. Don't run cords under carpets or furniture. Cords under rugs or heavy furniture can overheat or get damaged without notice. This becomes a serious fire hazard. Use cable channels or wall-mounted wiring instead. Have a fire extinguisher rated for electrical fires. Keep a Class C or ABC extinguisher at home. Never use water on electrical fires. It conducts electricity. Teach everyone in the home how to use it. Schedule regular electrical inspections. Every few years, have a certified electrician inspect your wiring. Especially important in older homes or after renovations. Prevents hidden faults, outdated wiring, or overloaded circuits. Install surge protection for the whole house. Protects all your electronics from power surges caused by lightning or grid issues. A whole house surge protector at your main panel adds an extra layer of safety. Combine with outlet level surge protectors for maximum coverage. Turn off appliances before plugging or unplugging. Always switch off appliances before plugging or unplugging them. Prevents arcing, sparks, or sudden surges. Especially important for high-load appliances like irons, kettles, or heaters. Be cautious with extension cords. Don't use extension cords as permanent wiring. Avoid daisy-chaining multiple cords together. Choose the right amp rating and outdoor-rated cords if used outside. Install more outlets instead of overusing extensions. Clean electrical outlets and switches safely. Use a dry cloth only. Never spray water or cleaning agents near them. Check for loose faceplates, discoloration, or unusual heat. If anything seems off, shut off power and inspect further. Educate everyone at home. Teach family or roommates basic electrical safety. Don't yank cords. Don't insert objects into sockets. Report electrical issues early. Do mini safety checks monthly as a household. Don't cut corners on quality. 3 minutes. Invest in quality electrical components. Cheaper doesn't mean safer. Use certified products CEUL, ETC, and trusted brands. Poor quality parts often cause shorts, fires, or premature failure.